10 Best Quotes of Film Mary Poppins 1964 Part 2. Mary Poppins. There is only one word that comes close to accurately describing the enchanting Mary Poppins, and that term was coined by the movie itself, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even at 2 hours and 20 minutes, Disney's pioneering mixture of live action and animation, based on the books by P.L. Travers, still holds kids spellbound. Julie Andrews won an Oscar as the world's most magically idealized nanny, practically perfect in every way, and complete with lighter-than-air umbrella, and Dick Van Dyke is her clownishly charming beau, Bert the Chimney Sweep. We are on the brink of adventure, children. Don't spoil it with questions. Mary Poppins returns. Whether she is truly magic and leading them to whole new animated worlds, or whether they are simply playing pretend, is left up to the interpretation of the audience members. Well, most things he can. Sometimes a person we love, through no fault of their own, can't see past the end of his nose. Mary Poppins. A spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. This playful proverb encourages finding the positive side of difficult situations. In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. A reminder to find joy in even the most mundane tasks. Practically perfect in every way. Mary Poppins' signature description of herself, delivered with a touch of whimsy. First of all, I would like to make one thing clear: I never explain anything. This line adds to the mystique of Mary Poppins and her magical abilities. Winds in the east, mist coming in. Like something's brewing, about to begin. A catchy phrase that foreshadows adventure and excitement. Let's go fly a kite. An invitation to embrace imagination and escape into a world of wonder. Mary Poppins. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. Mary Poppins, practically perfect in every way. Bert, chim chimney, chim cherry. A sweep is as lucky can be. Mary Poppins, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Mary Poppins, close your mouth, please, Michael. We are not a codfish. Mary Poppins. First of all, I would like to make one thing quite clear. I never explain anything. Mr. Banks, a British bank is run with precision. A British home requires nothing less. Mary Poppins. In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. Mary Poppins. Never judge things by their appearance. Even carpet bags. I'm sure I never do. But, as I live and breathe, Mary Poppins.